Bah, 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 bah. Hey!
OG made another one.
Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day.
Hey y'all, I'm coming to you guys today because I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I decided since you guys wanted my V-Show hair review, I'm gonna give it to you, but I'm gonna give it to you in style. I'm gonna do my makeup and everything else. So because I don't plan on keeping this wig on, I'm just throwing it on for the video. I'm gonna just put my hair in like 2 braids or something like that. We're gonna come and we're gonna do the makeup. So like I said, I just put it in 2 braids. Okay, I'm not really worried about bulkiness because like I said, I'm just doing this for the review. If somebody sees me today, then they see me. I'm not trying to impress people today or whatever. Just want to get this review out. Same brush that I use to brush my own hair. It's the same brush that I use to brush my wig because it's a wig brush and it clumps my curls and it also gets my wig straight. I mean, not straight, like straight. I mean, like straight isn't together. Now this hair is dirty. Like, it's to the point where like I should wash it because it's starting to get tangly and stuff like that. But I'm not going to even do all that because I'm not keeping it on for a long time. I know some people, they do their makeup first. Like I be seeing them, they have their wig cap on, they do their makeup first and then they put their wig on. But it doesn't make sense to me because why would you put makeup, I mean why would you put your wig cap on over, I mean why would you put your wig on over top of the makeup? Like that just don't make sense. Ding dong! I just listened to Press yesterday for the first time. I only heard the press. Cut it, don't need no press. I only heard that part on Instagram. And I did not know that that song sounded like that. Like the beginning and stuff like that. I would have never thought. Like, my frontal is dirty and stuff. But me not care because me not keeping this on for long. So basically what I do to put this down is I just take the Got To Be Glue Free Spray. Sometimes I take the gel, the black gel and the free spray and I go along, but today I'm just going to be taking the Got To Be Glue Free Spray. I'm going to be spraying it on my head and then I'm going to be taking the blow dryer on cool setting, you know, just sitting this down. This wig is big on me, so, but I know how to like finesse it to where it's not bulky and stuff like that. I'm going to put this wig on correctly and then I'm going to come back to you guys. Okay, so I just put the wig on all of the way. It's not my best work. We're not trying to get perfection. We're just trying to get presentable. So now I'm about to wash my face and exfoliate and stuff like that. So y'all know that I use the St. Ives apricot scrub, and the reason why you want to exfoliate your face or do a mask or anything before you put your makeup on is because you want a smooth, clean surface. You never want to put makeup on dirty skin or rough skin. Even though I do have textured skin, exfoliating is going to help me to get a better smooth application. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shave my mustache. Sometimes I use an eyebrow razor or sometimes I just go in and I use a real razor on my face. And when I do that, I just put shaving cream and then I use a real razor. But today I'm going to use an eyebrow razor. So next, I'm going to spray a spray of the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Next, then I'm going to spray a spray of the Mario Badescu Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea Spray. And while it's drying, let's talk about why I stopped doing my makeup. The reason I stopped doing my makeup is because, as you can see, I have a lot of I have problem skin. And I don't like makeup on textured skin. That's like my biggest pet peeve. I hate makeup on textured skin. I don't know, like when I get pimples or blemishes and stuff, they really easy to like open or start bleeding and stuff like that. And I don't think you should be putting makeup over top of open sores. Then I also realized that I don't like the way makeup looks on my face, and I like my face better without makeup. But people on my Instagram said that I should start doing my makeup again, and I got like a whole huge makeup collection because I used to be obsessed with makeup and I'm not using it. So I feel as though like, why have all of this makeup and all of these palettes and stuff if I'm not going to use it. So here I am. Next, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture's Shea Butter, and I'm going to put a dab on my face. Ran out of moisturizer, I ran out of pore filler, I ran out of just everything because, like I said, I have not done my makeup in a long time, and I threw it away because I just felt like it was old. So we're going to work with the Shea Butter for now. Now I'm going to give that time to set in my face. You guys know that I cannot do my brows on camera, so I'm going to do my brows and then I'm going to come back. I'd rather be broke in jail than be dead and rich. Guys, you know, I forgot how to do my eyebrows. That's another reason why I stopped doing my makeup, because I forgot how to do my eyebrows. But I think I'm learning again. I did my eyebrows to the best of my ability. Then I put concealer on my eyes, and then I put some powder over my eyes so I could set the concealer. I was not supposed to do anything on my eyes, but I guess God had other plans for me because I was on the phone running my mouth, and the next thing you know, I had all of this on my eyes as a base. So I guess now we're gonna do an eye look. So right here, I just have all of my dirty brushes. I cleaned them. I mean, I washed them, and then I used them one time, and then I didn't wash them again, and then they just sat. But first I'm going to be starting off with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Don't kill me, but this is like my fave palette besides the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Like, look at it. It's just so beautiful, and my mother bought it for me for Christmas. So, of course, I'm going to use it. You got to do what you got to do when you got to do it. So I kind of just want a regular shimmery look, so I think I'm just going to go in with like a transition shade with this shade right here, and I'm just going to like put that in my outer corner and in my crease. So y'all, I will say one thing about these BH brushes, I love them. They are really soft. They're like my fave, but they do shed a lot, like a lot, like quite a lot. And I don't know if I really like the shedding or not. It's like I'm playing. I hate when brushes shed. That's like my pet peeve. If your brush sheds, just like, it's annoying. Especially when it's like a foundation brush or something that's wet and you can't really get the hair off as easily. I think I blended it to the best of my abilities. I'm going to take the same brush. I'm going to take this shade right here. I don't know why they would label them out of order. I'm just going to put it on the outer corner. I feel like this shade is just not doing what it's supposed to do as a shade. It's like patchy. It's like darker up here and lighter in like my crease, so I don't understand. No. We just not, y'all. We just not. This look does not reflect my makeup skills. We're just not going to do it. Like, this is why I don't do my makeup no more. It's even patchy coming off of my eye. Like, how does that work? I really think it's the skin type that I have, because like all eyeshadows on me go on patchy and they don't really blend correctly. And like, I got good brushes, I got good palettes. At least people, like the palettes that I had, people say they good. Maybe I need to try like a Natasha Denona palette or something like that. Maybe I need to spend $125 on a palette so I can freaking know what it's like to be blendable. But what we're not going to do is sit here for 25-40 minutes and play with this eyeshadow. That's what we're not going to do. Now I need to go find me a piece of gum. And it's not even the gum I wanted. I hate sugary gum. For one, it's bad for your teeth. For two, it dissolves so fast. I cannot be the only one whose nose is always running when they do their makeup. Since I don't have anything pore filling or like anything like that, I guess I'll just jump right in. Hey! So you guys know, or you should know if you have been on my channel before, that I like to blend out my stuff with a brush first and then go in with my Real Technique sponge, because I feel like it gives me a more neater application. I don't really like putting foundation on my forehead, so I don't know why I just did that, but I did it. And then it's going to be harder to blend because I got hair in my face. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but yo, why my face look like that? It's not too light. Why does it look like that on camera? Did I put too much? It looks like an oil spill happened on my face. And I really think it's because I got shea butter on underneath my skin. We love to glow, but at the same time, it's just like, do I really want to glow like this? My eyebrow messed up. You know, this is really why I stopped doing makeup. Like, I just question myself. And I asked myself, is this all really worth it? Like, what is this for? To feel better about myself? Like, what? Like, my eyebrow messed up. Like, I'm sorry, but this looks horrible against my skin. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, it's all textured and whatnot. Like, ew, that's ugly. That is so ugly. See, I really feel like there's a difference. It's really the shea butter. I know what it is, but it's a difference. Like, do you want to be glowy? Yeah, I want to be glowy. Of course I want to be glowy, but I don't feel like this is glowy. I feel like this is just straight up oil. Like, I think I just need to do the rest of my makeup. That was my LA Girl Conceal in Pure Beige. Now I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Dark Cocoa. Y'all may be wondering why my contour application looks crazy. It's because I just truly cannot see. Like, I don't know. I need to stop trying to look in this big mirror because it's not tall enough. So lately I've been taking this type of brush and I've been blending my contour out, and then I'll go back with my Real Technique sponge, and then I will blend the rest out. I went a little crazy. I added another concealer knowing that the concealer was too light for me, and look where we ended up. Looking crazy. I look like a freaking ghost. So you guys know that I mixed banana powder, a little bit of terracotta powder. I just mixed those two together. That's what I used to set everything. So now it's time to find some bronzer somewhere in this room because I'm looking a little ghosty. But before I find some bronzer, I'm just going to sweep this off. You guys know I do not leave powder on my face. And I will say my pimples are starting to show through again. I think last time what I did was I took a shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just bronzed up my face. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking this shade right here. So I think that is all for the face. Only thing that I'm going to do is add the same bronzer color just a little bit in my crease. Now it's time for highlight. Y'all, I don't know where my highlighter brush at and I'm kind of upset. I'm just going to be taking this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to have to use this big old fan brush. Usually I just use my fan brushes for contour, but I'm going to have to use it for highlight today. Now I don't want to highlight too much in those areas because those are my problem areas. I spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. Now I'm going to spray my LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. Hopefully it looks as good as it does in person, because in person it looks flawless, it looks fine, it looks amazing. Since I added everything else, it looks perfectly fine. Before it was looking a little crazy, like I was just doubting it, like what's going on. But next I'm going to be adding my lashes. You guys know that I use the Kiss lashes and Paparazzi 03. So I'm going to put those on and then I'm going to return. One thing I hate is when my eyelash is not on my lash line. And this eyelash is not on the lash line. You can even see like it looked like two totally different lashes. I'm just going to line my lips with the brown liner. Then I'm going to just put on MAC's Ruby Woo. Then after that I'm going to fix this eyelash because it's bothering me.
I just made another one.
And if y'all know anything about me, it should be that I freaking hate an uneven lipstick application. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to clean it up. I don't mean no harm, y'all, but this is bad. I really don't feel like fixing my lash, so we're just going to stick how it is. I'm just going to continue to look cross-eyed because I don't feel like fixing my lash. But this is bad. I'm going to curl my hair, but I'm going to curl my hair off camera because I need to see what I'm doing. It's a hot tool. I don't have anywhere to put it, like when I'm curling it and stuff. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I am done. I just added some curls. Now I'm gonna go film this hair review. If you liked that video, make sure you subscribe. If you didn't like that video, still make sure you subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see next. When you subscribe, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified every single time that I upload. I think you guys forget, but you can DM me pictures of you with a description of why you subscribe to my channel, and you will be featured in the beginning of my video. No one has done it yet, so you can be the first. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!